In this video, I will be showing you how to convert text to image using Kling AI. So let's get started. So for this, first thing, just come directly into the Kling.ai website. Here we will be having the Create Now button. Just select it and make sure that you are creating an account and signing into it. After you do that, we will be taken to an interface like this. To the left, we will be having the image or the video generation. To the right, we'll be having some past creations. So I have already done some past video generations over here. Now to generate images, to the left we are having the generate icon. Click here, and to the top we'll be having this image generation, video generation, motion control and avatar. You can just go through everything over here. Our aim is image generation, so select that. Here pretty much straightforward. First thing is the model. This is the latest model 3.0. This is the old model. And next is, in case if you have any reference image, you can give that. I don't have any, so I'll be directly going to the text prompt over here. We can just put our prompt. So this is going to be my prompt, image of a orange fluffy cat. And here we are having multiple options. First thing is styles. Click here. These styles will determine the tone or the theme of the image. For example, if you want the image to be hyper realistic or like a 3D image or a Ghibli style or an anime cartoon, so many things, retro, 3D Polaroid, cotton doll, we are having these many styles available. So if we are having fun, realistic, we can even simply group it, painting or cartoon. So if you like any of these styles, you can simply click it and that will be getting added over here rather than you specifically mentioning in the prompt. And another option is this DeepSeek icon. Let's say you have very less idea, you don't know to prompt a lot. You can simply click here by typing a bare minimum prompt, and DeepSeek will automatically reconstruct or reface your prompt. You can even click on generate and it will automatically generate you a beautiful image. So the only thing is you just need to give a bare minimum idea and DeepSeek will take care of that. So after this is done, the next most important thing is the number of images to be generated in the output and the resolution of the image. So here in the drop down, we can click here. First thing is the mode, if you want 1K SD image or 2K HD image. That's up to you. And next we are having the aspect ratio. So many options to choose from. I will just go with 16:9. And next is the number of image outputs. So if I go with 4, the cost of generation like increases. 8, it go to 8. So you can just select the number of images of your choice. So basically I'm using the free plan and I've already generated some videos also. So you'll be getting a initial free trial of credits. If you are like seriously going to use it, you can just get the paid subscription also. Now I'm fine with all of these. I will just click on generate. So it says task submitted, generation in progress. So just be patient. We have got the images generated over here and the images look super high realistic, super quality. And if we just click it, we are having options to in-paint, expand, remove and upscale. We can do all these stuff over here. As you can see, we can just select a brush selection and stuff. We can give the prompt that we want to in-paint, and next we are having expand, just adding some more stuff to the outline of the image, also having a prompt for this. And next is we are having remove, in case we want to remove any object from the image. Final one is we're having upscale to increase the quality of the image, and it's available for only the premium user. And next is we can directly convert this image to a video also. If you want to download, you can simply like download it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.